Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today I'm showcasing the Knipex 1098 i220 ear clamp pliers. These are reliable mounting of 1 and 2 ear clamps. Can be used on clamps on plumbing, CV boots, fuel lines, air pressure systems. The handles are plastic coated, front clamp jaws. They're durable, they're strong, and they measure about 8 3/4 inches. They are made in Germany. Let's give them a try. Sorry, that took way longer than it needed to. I have a camera in front of my face, so I couldn't really see. Like all Knipex tools, these are made very well. Let's get a closer look at this. They open and close very smoothly. Let's go ahead and measure this head. About 1.5 inches. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and tomorrow we will showcase another tool.